Hey, Tsepo. Thanks for the introduction. And good day, ladies and gentlemen. As Tsepo just mentioned, my name is Usiyabonga Mkolo. I am the founder of a company called Pocket Studio. And if you just give me a moment, I'll be sharing my slide with you. All right. So as I mentioned, I am Siyabonga, the founder of Pocket Studio. And today I'll be telling you how we can transform the audiovisual industry all from the palm of our hands. So in the audiovisual industry, there is a huge problem. It is highly fragmented and highly inequitable. On the one hand, we have audiovisual graduates who are being produced at a rate faster than the industry can create jobs, and they still lack workplace exposure. And on the other hand, employers lack the tools to scale and are therefore unable to absorb these graduates, even though they are suffering from a critical skills deficit. It is for this reason we are going to hashtag open up the industry. And we have created this solution called Pocket Studio. Pocket Studio is a freelance marketplace that aims to connect brands and companies to the next wave of content creators. We also provide tools and resources that allow production companies to scale. So our users simply log on by registering using their Google accounts or their Facebook accounts, and they're good to go. And once they've logged on, clients can post briefs. These briefs are matched with the relevant creatives, and we have an elegant payment solution that handles all transactions. And once the project is done, there is a review process, and that is that. It is as simple as brief, match, and action. So just a little about me. I am an award-winning filmmaker with more than 7 years experience in the film business. My co-founder, Ziggy Ndlovu, and I started a production company back in 2015. And in the past 5 years, we have used this production company to really understand the pain points within the audiovisual industry. More recently, we found our CTO, Mongi Nyembe, who is a driven developer and strives in agile and ever-evolving environments. So, to date, we have used our WhatsApp group as a database to pilot the marketplace workflow. We have onboarded over 30 practitioners and have worked with a number of brands, including Diageo and Glencore. We have found that the WhatsApp marketplace workflow does not work and is not scalable, so that is why we decided to start Pocket Studio. And we have approached the Department of Sports, Arts and Culture, and they have decided to support us by offering access to their networks, as well as providing us with startup capital. So what are we looking for? As it stands right now, we are not looking to raise any capital. Rather, we are searching to strike up strategic partnerships with financial service providers, institutions of higher learning, as well as the South African Screen Federation. If you are part of these organizations, we'd really love to connect with you. If not, and you still want to connect with us, please stay on till the end of this presentation for my contact details. So, our total serviceable market consists of 179,000 prospects, which includes freelance practitioners, audiovisual students, production companies, and training providers. The total size of this market is equivalent to 123 million Rand. We want to take a B2B2C approach in order to capture or penetrate this market. We'll be targeting less than 2% of this market, namely production companies and training providers, in order to onboard and capture the remaining 98%, meaning freelancers and students. We currently have a 5-phase, 3-year rollout plan, which will see us scaling nationally with our platform. Phase 1, which we're currently in, is really we're just focusing on developing the platform and also engaging with interested stakeholders. Phase 2 and 3 will see us focusing on penetrating Johannesburg and the greater Gauteng region. Phase 4 and 5 will see us scaling nationally across Southern Africa. So as a startup, we do face a number of challenges, namely limited access to networks and markets, as well as limited functionality. However, where we have the competitive advantage is in the fact that we charge lower commissions and grant our users greater autonomy. We also offer a scalable solution that is best suited for developing markets. Our subscriptions are a lot cheaper than our international competitors, and we also offer more solid leads and greater access to creative networks. As it stands right now, we have 4 revenue models for Pocket Studio, namely subscriptions, commissions, advertising, and analytics. For the pilot, though, we'll be focusing purely on subscriptions and commissions. And with our subscriptions, we'll be charging 59 Rand per user. And in order for this to be effective, we need to have 16,000 average monthly users. and we'll be charging a 6% commission per transaction. And in order for this to be effective, we need to have at least 15,000 transactions happening per month with an average contract size of 4,000 Rand per gig. When we put this all together, we estimate that we will generate 56.7 million Rand in revenue by 2023. As I mentioned before, we have secured a 500,000 Rand non-repayable grant from the Department of Sports, Arts and Culture. And this is being used for applied research and development, prototyping, and our product launch. And as I briefly mentioned before, we estimate that in the next 3 years, we'll be able to generate 56.7 million Rand in revenue. And as a tech startup company, we believe that we can keep our expenses relatively low, and as we scale up, we'll increase our profit margins. So I'd like to thank you for your time. And if you'd like to connect, my details are on the screen.